Are you tired of feeling stuck when it comes to making important life decisions? Well, I want to introduce my free ebook, Your Ultimate Guide to Making Smarter Choices with Confidence. This ebook on how to make your decision-making process more efficient includes worksheets and practical tools for you in order to make a better decision, whether it be that you're moving or you are getting a new job offer. This will help make the decision clear for you. Are you ready for this change, to take control of your life, for you to be happy when you make decisions with confidence? Well, ready to take control of your life and make confident decisions? Don't miss out now on this valuable resource. Sign up now for my newsletter to get your free ebook. And when you're there, subscribe, like, and follow, and click the bell so you can get notified when I post a new video. What are you waiting for? Don't wait. Sign up today for your free ebook.